lash room tour. It is a double suite, so the other side I have my suite mate, she does braids. Okay, so here is the lash bed, which is very cushioned. We have our blanket, liability form already set up. It's really soft memory foam pillow, ring light. This is my travel bag when I'm doing travel appointments. So I'm bringing that back today. This is my lash cart right here, trash can, and my lash chair. That is the best lashing chair that I have used so far. I love it. We could probably do like a tour one day of my lash cart. But this is my lash cart. The fridge. This is a kit for training. Bluetooth speaker is a must-have. This right here, I got this from Amazon, I believe. This from Amazon. This was from Michael's. That was from At Home. Amazon. Where's that chair from? Amazon. Everything on the bed is from Amazon. This chair is from, what is it called? Overstock seashell chair. At Home. Sham. We got a nice plant area right here, and then this little table with a candle, and then I put this shelving up with lash bath, lash cleanser, and then I also ordered this offline. Can't remember how I found that. I think it was Etsy. And the shelves are from Amazon. This mirror is from At Home. Home Goods, actually. The mirror's from Home Goods.